Hey guys, today I will show you how to place a limit order with leverage on a USDT perpetual swap for Bitcoin, and also how to set up stop loss and take profit. So first, what you need to do is understand that a limit order means you are not buying at the current market price. The market price is the price of Bitcoin right now, let's say around $38,000. But if you don't want to buy at $38,000 and instead prefer to enter at a lower level, you can place a limit order. For example, if you think Bitcoin will drop to $30,000 and want to buy one Bitcoin at that price, you would set a limit order for $30,000. Once Bitcoin hits that price, your position will open. Now, when using leverage, you don't need the full amount. If your leverage is 10x, instead of needing $30,000, you would only need $3,000 to open that same position. Of course, with leverage comes higher risk and you'll have a liquidation price. For example, if Bitcoin falls to around 32,580, your trade could be liquidated. Let's do a sample trade. If you set a limit order at $36,000 with 10x leverage, you could buy about $30 worth of Bitcoin, which is roughly 0.0001 BTC, while only using 3.66 from your balance. But if the price falls toward $32,000, your position risks liquidation. Once the order is placed, it will appear in your open orders. To manage risk, you can add a stop loss and take profit. You can set these before confirming the order or afterward by clicking TPSL. For example, you could set a take profit at $50,000 and a stop loss at $33,000. This way, if Bitcoin rises to your target, you lock in gains, and if it drops too far, you limit your losses before liquidation. Thanks for watching.